The best-selling car battery isn't always the best one for your ride. That's what everyone assumes, but it's just not true. Most people grab whatever's on sale or has the shiniest label. But your car, your climate, and your driving habits matter way more than a sales tag. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1, Yanhan Smart Charger and Maintainer. This isn't a battery. It's a battery lifesaver. The Yanhan 10-amp smart charger costs just $28.65 and handles both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, which means it works on everything from your daily driver to your old work truck. It's fully automatic, so you plug it in, forget it, and it keeps your battery at peak charge without overcharging. If you want to extend your current battery's life instead of replacing it, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cold weather kills batteries fast, and if you're not driving daily, like during winter or with a second car, sulfation builds up and ruins your battery quietly. This charger fights that with a desulfation mode and temperature compensation, adjusting power based on how hot or cold it is outside. It's got over 5,000 recent sales, which tells me people are using it regularly, not just once and tossing it. The 10-amp output is strong enough to revive a dead battery in a few hours, but gentle enough for long-term maintenance. Now, some people complained about the lack of a built-in handle, or that the cables feel a bit short, around 5 feet each. Here's the thing though, for under $30, you're getting pro-level charging tech that most garages charge $50+ to do. The cord length isn't ideal for tight garages, but you can always buy extensions. This isn't for someone who wants fancy Bluetooth or a touchscreen. It's for someone who wants reliability without the price tag. This is perfect for you if you've got an older car, live in a cold climate, or just hate being stranded with a dead battery. Skip this one if you need ultra-fast charging for commercial use. Go for a 30-amp model instead. For the price, it's one of the smartest $28 you'll spend all year.
Product number 2. XS Power D6500 AGM battery. If you're serious about performance, we're talking high-end audio systems, racing setups, or modified vehicles, the XS Power D6500 is a beast. This 12-volt AGM battery delivers a massive 3,900 cold cranking amps and uses absorbed glass mat technology, meaning it's spill-proof, vibration-resistant, and handles deep discharges better than standard batteries. If you want raw power and reliability under extreme conditions, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Normal batteries choke when you're running a 2,000-watt sound system or multiple accessories at idle. The D6500 is built for that. It's designed to deliver consistent voltage even when pushed hard. It's also great for off-grid setups or RVs where you need dependable power without constant recharging. With M6 terminal bolts, it fits securely and reduces corrosion risk, which is huge if you've ever dealt with loose connections in the rain. Now, some people complained about the price, it's not listed, but expect to pay $250 to $300, and that it's overkill for a stock Honda Civic. Here's the thing though, if you're not running high-draw electronics or extreme conditions, yeah, this is too much. But if your car is your passion project or you rely on your vehicle in harsh environments, this battery pays for itself in peace of mind. It's also not maintenance-free in the traditional sense. You still need to monitor voltage and charging habits. This is perfect for you if you've got a modified car, a powerful sound system, or live somewhere with extreme temperatures. Skip this one if you just need a basic commuter battery. You're paying for performance you won't use. For serious builds, it's one of the best investments you can make. Product number 3. Interstate MTP 65 HD Heavy Duty. The Interstate MTP 65 HD is built like a tank. 850 cold cranking amps, 30-month warranty, and designed for trucks, SUVs, and cargo vans that actually work for a living. This isn't your average commuter battery. It's made for vehicles that idle a lot, haul heavy loads, or sit in extreme heat or cold. If you want a no-nonsense, long-lasting battery for a workhorse vehicle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you drive a Ford F-250, Chevy Silverado, or a delivery van, your electrical demands are higher. More electronics, bigger starters, longer crank times. The MTP65HD handles it all. The 850 CCA means it'll start reliably even at minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit, and the 30-month warranty shows Interstate stands behind it. It's also built with thicker plates and better corrosion resistance, so it lasts longer in harsh conditions. Now, some people complained about the weight. It's over 40 pounds, and that it's harder to install solo. Here's the thing though, this isn't a battery you install every year. The durability means fewer replacements, so the extra effort up front pays off. Also, if you're not using a battery lift or have a tight engine bay, it can be awkward. But for fleet managers or daily drivers of heavy vehicles, that's a small price for reliability. This is perfect for you if you drive a large truck or van, especially in cold climates or for work. Skip this one if you've got a small car or don't need that level of power. You're paying for strength you won't use. For the warranty and build quality, it's one of the best values in its class.
Product number 4. Interstate MT65 Standard Duty. The Interstate MT65 is the everyday hero. 675 CCA, 24-month warranty, and built for mainstream cars, SUVs, and light trucks. It's not flashy, but it's dependable, affordable, and widely available at auto parts stores nationwide. If you want a solid, no-frills replacement that won't let you down, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most drivers don't need 850 CCA. They need something that starts reliably, lasts a few years, and doesn't break the bank. The MT65 fits that perfectly. It's designed for typical stop-and-go driving, moderate climates, and standard electrical loads. With over 50 recent purchases and Interstate's reputation, it's clear people trust it for daily use. The 675 CCA is enough for most V6 and 4-cylinder engines, even in chilly weather. Now, some people complained about the shorter 24-month warranty compared to the MTP version, and that it doesn't hold up as well in extreme heat. Here's the thing though, if you live in a mild climate and drive regularly, this battery will last 3 to 4 years easy. The shorter warranty is a trade-off for lower cost, and honestly, most batteries fail from neglect, not defects. Just keep it clean and charged, and it'll serve you well. This is perfect for you if you've got a standard car or SUV and want reliable, affordable power. Skip this one if you're in a freezing or scorching climate or drive a heavy-duty vehicle. Go for the HD version instead. For the price and reliability, it's a smart, practical choice.
Product number 5. Interstate MTP-124R Compact Power. The Interstate MTP-124R is built for smaller cars with tight engine bays, 700 CCA, 30-month warranty, and a compact 124R group size that fits popular models like Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, and Nissan Altima. It's a balance of power, size, and warranty that makes it ideal for fuel-efficient sedans and crossovers. If you want a long-lasting battery for a smaller vehicle without sacrificing performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Smaller cars often get overlooked when it comes to battery upgrades, but they still need reliable starts, especially with modern electronics like start-stop systems and infotainment. The MTP-124R delivers 700 CCA, enough for cold mornings, and the 30-month warranty gives you confidence. It's also designed to resist vibration and heat, which is key since compact engines run hotter in smaller spaces. Now, some people complain that it's harder to find in local stores compared to the MT series, and that the terminals are a bit close together for some cable setups. Here's the thing though, online ordering solves the availability issue, and a little terminal grease and careful routing fix the connection problem. This isn't a flaw, it's a design choice for compact fit. This is perfect for you if you drive a mid-size sedan or compact SUV and want a warranty-backed upgrade. Skip this one if your car needs a larger group size. Measure first. For the balance of size, power, and warranty, it's one of the best compact batteries out there.
So, which one's right for you? The Johan charger if you want to save your current battery. The XS Power if you're running a high-performance setup. The MTP65HD for heavy trucks. The MT65 for everyday driving. And the MTP-124R for compact cars. Don't just grab the cheapest or most popular. match the battery to your ride. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what you drive in the comments.